3 years ago, I was making $40,000 a year, and I bought a used Audi. I felt rich for exactly 3 days. Then I felt trapped for 3 years. And that's when I learned something most people never do. Your income is not the problem. Your thinking about money is the problem. Most people believe, if I just earned more, I'd get rich. That's a lie, and it's costing you everything. Let me prove it to you. If your income doubled tomorrow, would you actually be richer? Or would you just buy a more expensive car, a bigger apartment, and a nicer vacation? Be honest with yourself. Because here's what actually happens for 90% of people. Their lifestyle expands instantly, and their wealth stays exactly the same, or gets worse. A 2023 study found that 78% of people earning over $200,000 a year live paycheck to paycheck. 78%. That means high income does not equal wealth. In fact, for most people, more income just means more expensive debt. Mistake number 1, looking rich before you are rich. Let me describe someone you probably know. They wear designer sneakers but have less than $500 in savings. They drive a BMW but can't cover a $1,000 emergency. They live in a luxury apartment that eats 60% of their paycheck. Why? Because they're performing wealth. And here's the hard truth nobody tells you. Every dollar you spend to look rich is a dollar that never gets to build wealth. I did this myself. That Audi I bought, I couldn't afford it. I just wanted people to think I had made it. But here's what actually happens when you perform wealth. You impress people who don't matter, you delay your own freedom, and you stay stuck longer. Rich people don't buy things to look rich. They buy things because their assets already paid for it. Mistake number 2, buying before you build. Imagine your financial life like a house with 3 windows. Window 1, income, money coming in from your job or business. Window 2, expenses, money going out to rent, food, bills, entertainment. Window 3, income-producing assets, things that pay you while you sleep. Most people live entirely between window 1 and window 2. Money comes in, money goes out. End of story. Middle-class people use credit to jump from income to expenses even faster. They buy the lifestyle before they've built the foundation. Wealthy people? They obsess over window 3. Mistake number 3, playing before you've produced. This one hurts because I lived it. I was stressed, tired, overworked. I told myself I deserve a break. So I booked a vacation on a credit card, came back more stressed than before, and now with an extra $2,000 in debt. Here's the rule nobody tells you. Produce first, then play. Build first, then celebrate. Every time you flip that order, you push wealth further away. I'm not saying don't rest. Rest is essential, but there's a difference between resting and escaping. Build fast enough that your assets pay for experiences that are 10 times better than anything you could afford right now by going into debt. So who's the real enemy here? Not your salary, not your boss, not the economy, not inflation. The enemy is the story you've been sold, the story that happiness looks like things, that success looks like approval from strangers, that you deserve to spend before you've earned. That story was written by people who profit from your debt, credit card companies, luxury brands, social media influencers selling a life they don't actually live. Stop defending that story. Stop performing for people who aren't paying your bills. Ask yourself one question. What is one thing I can do? Not to get ready to make money, but to actually make money. Then do it, today, within 24 hours. Because most people are only one decision away from changing their financial life.